we are going to talk about in adding border cells. Adding borders to your cells in your worksheet of your Excel. Now I have my Excel sheet, so already I have added my borders in here, and this is called also border. This is also border. If I go to if I want to delete this one, I like to go to back. I like to go back the default setting, no borders. If you want to add any borders in any line, in any row, or in any cell, you can do it easily. Just a home menu, go to the home menu and go to the font category. Then you will see this one, no border section. If you would like to add any border here, if you would like to border here, then select this one. Then go to, if you would like to add any border to left or right, then you can select this one. This is the left. I have already added the border, and if you would like to add any border here, then you can select and go to the, just I am going to use this one, thick bottom border. And if you'd like to add any border here, then you can select this one, right. Okay, this one, right border. No, it is not working, so I'm going to use left border, this one. So if you would like to add any cells, if you would like to add in border, if you like to add any border, a specific cell, that if you would like to add any borders from this yes or Myanmar, then you can easily do it. Just bottom border and all border, this one. I have already added border from this one, this one. So if you'd like to select, if you like to set any borders here, then you can select this one. Then go to the all borders. Already you see this border. When you go on to print, go for print, then so I think that you can do it easily. You can set your borders lines in any cells, whatever you want.